My name is Lucas Almeida. I'm the Director of Experiential Learning here at U School. Experiential learning is anything that relates to learning by doing. It's activities that take students outside of the traditional classroom. It's where we really partner with the university, with community leaders, with different people that are really going to enhance that experience for our students. Some of the activities that the students go through range from a cow's eye dissection for them to understand the anatomy behind a cow's eye, a biofeedback session for them to understand their senses and how it pertains to their perception of the world, a role play therapy session that is actually in direct partnership with our PhD students here at NSU. They participate in a canine training to understand how the dogs that are used at the Davie Police Department are trained and how they use classical conditioning to understand their commands. The behavioral unit at the Memorial Healthcare to understand the medical side of mental health, as well as a field trip to the Broward Department of Justice to understand the legal sides when it comes to mental health. The reason we do this is because here at U School we really believe in the full experience. We want students to understand the career pathways that come from a specific profession or a specific field. We want them to understand that field in a deeper way, and we want them to be educated by the best. And that is something that we do offer here at U School in the best way possible.